Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace the ignition coil on a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Start by parking safely, engaging the parking brake, and opening the hood. Remove the engine cover if present, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shocks. Locate the faulty coil using misfire codes or visual inspection. I will walk you through removing connectors, unbolting the coil, installing the new coil, and testing the repair step by step. Next, we focus on removing the old ignition coil with calm, steady motions to avoid damage. First, depress the connector tab and pull the plug off the coil. Use a clean rag to wipe debris from around the coil boots before unbolting. Keep bolts and small parts organized so nothing gets lost. Gently rock the coil while pulling to break the seal, and set the old coil aside for disposal or inspection. Now install the new ignition coil in a few deliberate steps to ensure reliability. First, inspect the spark plug and replace if necessary, then apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the coil boot. Seat the coil squarely onto the plug and hand thread the mounting bolt to avoid cross-threading. Tighten the bolt to the proper torque, reconnect the electrical plug, and double-check all connections before reconnecting the battery and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.